Alright, quick video for the day. I just got up on this roof, saw a few things, and I want to bring the camera along. Just shooting from the cell phone, so sorry about the shakiness and the bad quality of the video. It's not my GoPro. So, 2017, this neighborhood got hit really hard with hail damage. Every home in the neighborhood got a new roof in 2017, 2018. Right now, at the time of this video, it is April 7th, I think, 2021. I see something right here, I'm like, pull the camera out. So what I see is this right here. It's just a staggered pattern, a rack, a zipper, whatever you want to call it. I hear many people call it different things. So if you're a contractor, if you know and you can answer this, let me know, comment down below. I've heard from previous videos and people commenting on the channel, manufacturers will not honor a manufacturer's warranty if it's installed that way. I don't know if they do or not. If you could, let me know. So there's some other things here I want to show you. The edge here. When you're getting your roof replaced due to storm damage and insurance is covering it, I understand insurance companies are only liable to cover and repair what was up there. If it was 3-tab, they cover for 3-tab. If there's no edge metal, they're not going to cover edge metal. With that being said, the shingles rolling down over into the gutter down here caught my eye. It's hung down pretty far, and you get under here and you look, there's no edge metal. There's no ice and water, there's no synthetic paper even, it's just felt paper, black paper. I get it, insurance companies are only going to pay what was up there to be covered. But the contractors, if you're a contractor, take care of your customers, install a good product, make sure you do it right. Don't be worried about just the bottom dollar and the profit in your pocket, because insurance companies pay pretty good, especially if you're supplementing them. Ice and water may not be covered here in Hamilton County, but manufacturers mostly say it needs to be on per their manufacturer's installation instructions, so do it as they say. This is a pretty good sized section. There's no need for a staggered pattern, zippered all the way up. Should easily been able to cut a rake pattern going up the rake right there. I want to talk about the edge metal, or the flashing right there. Let me jump up here real quick. Boom, shine right in my face there. So again, I really had to cover what was up here. If you need to add flashing, add a piece of flashing. If you need to reflash it, reflash it. And if you're gonna use what was there, at least do it right. This piece right here is not where it should have been. It should have been on top of this shingle here, about in this location and up. Then this shingle goes down, and it's called step flash because you repeat that process every step of the way. Shingle step, shingle step, shingle step. Also, it looks like they just put it down on the roof deck. Let's see. That's what it looks like to me. Right here's one loose. I can see up under it. Yeah, see that piece right there? It's under the next shingle. I think this entire row of step flash was down on the roof deck, and then they just threw shingles in and roofed it up real quick. All the way up like that. And right here, there's a piece missing. A decorative piece of shingle could have been put in. I mean, again, chances of that leaking is pretty slim. You could get some heavy wind-driven rain. The point of it being is, what's the cost of one piece of flashing, or a few pieces if you need to add it, or even a whole wall, or edge metal for that matter? You're making a lot of money if you're a contractor doing this kind of work, if it's insurance work and you're supplementing it. So just put a good quality product on for your customers. If you're a customer, make sure you vet and check out your contractor of choice prior to ending up in the situation here. Check out a few more little things. I'm not seeing much hail damage, but I am seeing quite a bit of worn out shingle. It's kind of all over the place. All over here. Shouldn't see that much fiberglass showing. To me, that looks like a manufacturer issue where they didn't have enough asphalt. I don't know, I'm not a manufacturer. It just doesn't look like they got enough asphalt to embed the granules to. That's why they're coming out. As far as the shingle, it looks to be possibly an IKO Cambridge, maybe driftwood color, possibly. They're one of the few that I know of that have a straight sawtooth look to it here. I believe maybe CRC was one of them back in the past, sold through Menards, maybe I'm wrong. If you follow the channel, you also know I'm not a big fan of a plastic pipe boot due to installation issues, cracking, cool weather, wearing out. Aluminum's actually I found where I can get aluminum some places cheaper than the plastic. So why wouldn't you want to put a good product on? Another one is just zippered all the way down. That's actually, I want to know, if you're a contractor, you know the answer to that. Does a manufacturer not cover their manufacturer's warranty due to the installation like that? Let me know if you know. This is pretty bad. Shouldn't see this after just a couple years. I haven't really seen much hail damage And the 5 roofs have been on down here already. Ah, that's just kind of mind-blowing right there. And the fact that what they've done here. So yeah, if you know about that question of the manufacturer's installation of the zippers, let me know down below. If you got any questions or comments, let me know. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share somebody if you think you might have been hit with storm damage. Call somebody that is local in your neighborhood that you know that you can trust, and they'll be back if there's a problem. Not going to point it to, oh, we subbed it to this person or that person, or just not care because they're all about the money. Don't mean to scare you. Just want to share some stuff that I'm seeing and following. Subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. Give it a thumbs up, and until next time, be safe and see you then.